Mark here with Watermark Design, where we do web design and help local businesses grow online through reputation management and using the CRM software here. We also do web hosting and graphic design. Today I will be going over another video here with the CRM software, how to get the mobile app on your phone. It's called Lead Connector. You can go there and download it in the store, App Store, or on your Android device. Or you can just come here when you're logged in on your computer, and once you're logged into the software, you can type in the phone number of who you want to send it to, and they'll get a text message to download the app. It's a great way for your employees or people that work for you to get the app on your phone, and then you can have them ask for reviews out in the field. All right, hopefully you like the video. Like it below if you like this. If you want to see more videos talking about web design, logo design, CRM software, growing your business online through SEO, subscribe below. All right, thank you.